How come you don't want to go to school?
I need it.
Because you're sick? No, you're not.
Yeah.
How are you sick? Oh, no. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think you're sick, buddy. Let me see. Oh, oh no. Are you sure you're sick?
Yeah.
What are we going to do? Honey, stop. I'm trying to ask you questions.
And I'll go eat it.
Bring you to Dr. Hurwitz? Okay.
Today?
Are you sure? I don't think you're sick, though, buddy. Look, there's... Oh, no fever. No fever.
I need hot.
Your head's hot?
Yeah.
No, it's not, silly.
Yeah, Eric.
I did feel it. No, it's not. You're fine. You can go to school today. No sick.
This is hot.
It's very hot?
This is hot.
It's a little bit hot?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Your forehead says, I'm not sick. Hang on. Hang on. Ow. Sorry. You're silly. Okay, hang on. Hang on. I'm trying to ask you some more questions. You feel better now?
No.
No? What do you feel? What do you feel? Sick? Hang on a second. Like, what hurts?
My tummy.
Your tummy? All right.
Me.